welcome back to another Avatar video. Again, made possible thanks to the wonderful team at ScanPro Video. Hit the link down below, that sends you through to the YouTube channel. Got loads of content that's getting pushed out there, working together as I've touched on in another video. Plenty of content being released, updates in the market, product reviews, insights, you get the picture. So go hit that link, follow the YouTube channel, and hopefully we'll see you there as well. But onto this video. So, already gone through the setting up, my thoughts, feelings, unboxing, a little bit of flying. I've had plenty of time on the simulator with the motion controller. Again, as I've said before, a cracking way to get flying, learning how to fly, especially in the, if you're new to the FPV world. So they've obviously recently brought out Motion Controller 2, which again I think irons out all the problems which I've highlighted on this, where you can't yaw, you can't climb easily, you can't reverse for starters. So they've obviously thought about it, rectified it, and got it all sorted. But today, what we're doing today, well, Scan have given us a controller, an actual controller, which I'm really excited about. Now, I already feel that I'm going to be pinching when I'm flying. So those of you who don't know, there's two sort of standard methods when you're flying. You've got your thumb on top, where you've got your standard flying, which is what I do for all my promotional content. But what a lot of people do, if they want to get that finer finer control over the drone, they tend to pinch the sticks, or half and half. I kind of feel like I'm going over the half and half, if not pinching, just because of the nature of flying. At the moment, it feels really unnatural, but I think when I actually get into the simulator, it's gonna work. But yeah, the controller feels fantastic. It's a nice, decent size. Obviously, very ergonomic. DJI thought about it. Buttons and levers and wheels all in the right place. So yeah, can't wait to get into it. Now, like I say, this video, all videos in this series are my raw feelings, thoughts and feelings. Got plenty of time to practice it. I'm currently away on a mapping job up in Scotland, so I've got plenty of time to get some stick time on. Hence, this is made possible. Yeah, so let's get into it. So here we go. We are waiting. So here we go. We are in motion. Let's see how we get on. Do as I say, go straight to the... Oh, that's cool. I do like the on-screen that is very cool. I like the on-screen what's it called? Display for where your sticks are and what they're doing, the tracking of it. God, I've got to get used to this. Wow, this is so different. Really puts in perspective how really does put in perspective on how people, the FPV pilots actually do it. This is incredible. So let's have a look on the buttons. Do we go into manual? Wow. Okay, so switch to M mode. Switch into M mode, move the sticks and make sure the stick input stays within the green area. Okay. Do I have a green area? I don't have a green area. Oh, hello. So I'm guessing this is where, when the stick control comes in. God, that is so much more twitchy in manual. Wow. Whole new level of appreciation for FPV pilots. Invert. Whee. Wah. I think the hard point at the minute is it's naturally trying to climb because of where the control is set up. Unless I keep it... Do I keep it lower? Nope, that's not working. Wow, I cannot fly. You think you can fly, and then you come into something like this, and it's like, no. Hello. Double press to start the button to start the motors. It's a cop out, isn't it? Oh, hello. I cannot fly to save my life. Ooh, tree. No, nothing on it. So what's really good about this, well obviously the fact that you're not wasting batteries or a drone out on a site while you're practicing, but again, just take it steady. I mean, yes, you know what I mean, everybody wants to go doing all the big moves, but you've just got to start at the foundations, which is hard to do, because if you're anything like me, you want to jump forward, get things going, but you actually need to practice and take it steady into a building. I thought I was around then. Well, as we saw there, very, very different to normal flying. That is going to take a lot of getting used to, especially in manual mode. The fact that you've got to keep the sticks down, like keep pulling down, I kind of feel like is against the way that you've got to fly, unless, if I'm right in saying, I think you've got to take the back panels out to then remove the springs or something. I think there's a little bit more to it. But just first takes, very, very hard. Again, trying to get your head into the way it all works and how it flies and how it moves. Obviously, so used to the GPS on board, like the Phantom and Inspire, for example, taking over and doing a lot of that for you. But you still get that when you're in the sport and normal mode. It's naturally set to sport mode, which I think is obviously needed for this. I haven't played around with those buttons yet, but the ones on the left for pause and return to home, obviously very good. If you panic, just hit pause. You scroll wheel for the gimbal tilt. But yeah, stop your motors. I think, you know, that's going to be hours and hours of fun. Definitely need more practice.